Hey guys, so welcome to another video. So today I'm getting the 27th Jamaaliday gift, and this time it actually does pop up. So 1 diamond and pressing OK. Let me start over again because this isn't working, you know? Okay, so 1 diamond and a Poofy rug. Poofy. Well, that's pretty cute. But yeah, this time it actually does pop up, and this happened, even though I actually did get it. But yeah, it was glitching yesterday, as you saw. Well, if you saw my video. But yeah. So, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be a part of the blueberry pie today. And yeah, so bye.